Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Garden Acres local and long-distance movers near me. Suppose you are moving to Garden Acres, California from within the city or any city around Garden Acres, California. We categorize this as a local move, and you need local professional movers to help with your local move. With local moves, local movers have the advantage of knowing all the nooks and crannies in the city, which makes navigation easier. Garden Acres 3 Movers is the best of California movers. With Garden Acres 3 Movers local team of movers, your belongings are in safe hands. Garden Acres local TM Movers has the best team of local movers with decades of experience in local moves. The movers are trustworthy, competent, experienced, and professional. With blistering speed, our local movers will help you quickly move to your new home. We are familiar with every inch of the city, and transporting your belongings to your new home will take little time. Suppose you are moving from Garden Acres, California to another state or a far city within the state. You need the services of long-distance movers for your move. While local movers are adept at moving within the city, their experience parallels long-distance movers in out-of-state moves. Long-distance moves are more complex than local moves, and some long-distance moves take more than a day to complete. With Garden Acres Long Distance 3 Movers, you can access the best long-distance movers in Garden Acres. Garden Acres Long Distance 3 Movers is the best in ensuring the safety of all your belongings while relocating. With our special double wrapping and arrangement which protects fragile items, we assure you that there will be no damage to any of your items while relocating to another state with Garden Acres Long Distance 3 Movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Garden Acres moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.